Hello, hi guys. Welcome back to the next session of workflows, and thank you for choosing JQ tutorials. So, guys, in our previous session, we have discussed about containers, how to take use of those containers, all of those things we have discussed. So, guys, in this session, we will discuss how can we call a report program through how can we execute the workflow through the report program that we are going to discuss today in this session. Okay, now okay, how can we call this workflow? Like, have you seen like you might have seen like we are having that smart forms. Okay, how we call that smart form through our function report program. Same thing we will see how can we call that execute the workflow through our report program. Okay, so we will develop a small report program where user can use like pass the data and execute this. Like we have seen in our last session how he was passing the um, type of the leave request from when to when you want the leave and by username. We have seen in our last session. Go and watch that session, guys, if you have not watched it yet. Okay, so we will create a simple report now. So for calling the workflow, for executing the workflow into a report, we will use a function module which is known as, we'll use the function module SWU underscore start underscore workflow. Okay, so that we are going to see in our this today's session. Okay, let me log into the system, guys. Then we will start developing the. Okay, let me before this, guys, let me open the workflow also once. Okay. Okay, I will go to SWTD transaction code. Okay, so we have already discussed this, guys. Okay, what we can do here is you can see where leave request and then approved or rejected. Okay, so if I will show you again this, if I will execute this, okay, you can see I am passing this I type. Okay, what is the type of the workflow? Okay, username from day to date. Now let's go to the SE38 and create a new program. Okay, Z execute workflow leave request. Okay, I will give this as workflow leave request. Okay, and to execute our program, save this. Okay, okay. So what is the function module which I just told you? That is SWU underscore SWU underscore start underscore workflow. Okay, so this is the function module through which we will call our workflow. Okay, so in the task, you can see here the task. What we have to enter here in the task, we have to enter the our workflow ID. This one, guys. What is our this workflow ID is? This one I will go and paste it over there. Then we are having the language and all of those things. Now, the thing is, guys, we have to pass the container. Okay, and we have to pass this. Okay, so what I will do is I will just uncomment this also. Okay, second, guys. Okay, so here what I will do is the container. Okay, we have to pass this. Let's see the type of this container. I will go to the we go to the tables now. Okay, swr underscore cont. Okay, here I will declare some variables data. I will say wt underscore container type table of this one, and I will also create a work area type. We can say right line of wd underscore container. Okay, so we have created this layer. Okay, guys, I will say here is the wt container. I will comment this and I will pass this WT container over here. Okay, I pass this container. It's asking for username. Let's give the username as sy user. Okay, sy uname. Sorry. Okay, now we have to fill this container field. Like you can see there we was passing. What we was passing, guys? Here we was passing this. Where is that here? I think I'll have to execute this. We was passing these values over there. I type, I uname. Okay, so all of those things we was passing over there. Okay, so what was we was doing over here? We was taking these inputs from the user. What is the type, f date, and t date? So let's create a what is that selection screen for this. Okay, I will create a selection screen for this. Selection screen begin of there. Okay, I will create for type. Type. Let's say I will give it as 15. Okay, then what data I have to create? Select options. S underscore date. Okay, or again the dash id item we can give, or okay, well date is there. Yeah, one second guys, let's see what is that date for that. C16, and I will go and we'll see slide. There is we have faculty date. Okay. Okay, so this is what we have created till now. Now we have to fill this. How do we have to fill? We have to fill this WT container. How we will fill it? Okay, how we will fill the container? Okay, just give me a moment, guys. Okay, okay guys. Now we will fill this WT container. Okay, now what we have to fill there? Here, if I will go back to my workflow, here you can see these fields we have to enter there, correct? That's what we have to pass it to the workflow. Type, username, from date to date. So firstly, I will fill this L underscore type. I will copy this, I will copy this name. Okay, I will go there. I will say here, prepare data for filling container. Okay, container. What I will do is, so work area, my work area is WA container build. So here we are having two things. First is element, second is value. So in the element, what you will enter? You will enter the element name. This name, your container name. Okay, I will write this I underscore what is that type? Sorry, L underscore type. Okay, W underscore container element, and I will give the value. So guys, what is the value for this? The value for this is what is the value is, and I will give this in the single inverted commas. Why? Because it will take it as a what it will take? It will take it as a variable. Otherwise, if I will not give it in the single inverted commas, so the value will be p underscore l type. Correct? So this is what we are going to enter. Correct, guys? That's all. Append WA container. Okay, to WT container. Correct. Same thing I will copy. I will do it again. We have given the type L underscore type. Now what I will give? I will give the username W underscore container element equals to what is my element name, guys? Again, I underscore uname. Uname WA container. What is my value? The value will be where what I am passing in the username. SYU name I can pass. Correct. I will say append WA container to WT to W1 second. and wt container. What I will do next thing, type is size name is gone. Then we will give this date from date. Okay. So wa underscore container element will be, what is the element name? It will be f underscore date. F underscore date. wa container. So here in the s underscore date, I will give the low. Okay, value. Whatever it will enter in the low, s data low. I will give in the from date. Okay, append wa container to wt container. Okay, same thing. Now I will fill this to container element. I will give the element name as f date is done. Okay, to date t underscore date wa container. What is my value? Value will be s underscore date I append wa container to wt container. Correct? So that is what we are going to do here. Now, okay, I will write here the call the flow. Save this. Let's try by checking this. Is there any error? Okay. Why it's giving? Okay, it's giving us this error because we have not declared the table here. Okay, let's declare the table also. Tables, right. Save this. Check now. Is there any error? No error right now. Comment this and yeah, check this now. So but there is no error right now. So what we have done till here? We have filled this workflow. Okay, we have filled this WT container with the values whatever we want to pass it to the function module. Okay, so we have filled our this WT underscore container. Okay, and what we will import from here? We will import this work item ID from here. So let's say LV underscore work item. Okay, save this. Let's create the work item ID also. What was that? It was in the work item ID will be data variable. Okay, data LV. What is the name? The name I have written is the LV W item. Type. Okay, save this, take this, and then finally activate this. Okay, let's try by executing this, guys. Let's see what's the output we will get. Let's execute this. Type, let's say I will give it as clear. Okay, s date. Give here as select and date. I selected it from on today's date. Okay, from 22 to 24. Let's try. Oh, this is a missing parameter in call function. Okay, what is the error? Attachment list is not there. Yeah. What we have to do? We need to pass it attachment list. 1 second, guys. Let me see. C30. Go there. What is the attachment list? What do you have to pass here in the attachment list? Structure for attachment list. Let's try by giving this also. I don't know, guys, what is this attachment list? Okay, wt httch data wt type. Save this. Check this. It's not an in. Okay. Type. Activate this. Okay. Let me put a debugger also there. Okay, and also guys, sorry for this. We have to put the commit word and okay, and I will fetch this work item ID, right? LBW item. Okay, save this, check this, and then activate this. Let's try by giving this now. Click. Okay, workflow is working, but this output is not coming, correct? Let's see, guys. Let's put a debugger and see what is the error. Execute this. Let's see in the internal table how the data is filling. LUT container, date is coming. Okay, then what is the issue? Telling you your name, work item ID is 0 right now. WD container. What is that? Still WT attached. Okay. Array. Give me a minute, guys. Let me see what is the error. Okay, guys. I don't think what is the error. One second. Let me. What we will do? Let's debug this. Okay. Let's try once more time. Okay. Execute this. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's debug this. Okay. And what I will do, I will go and set this. Let's try whether we will be able to find out something or not. Okay. No, there is some issues. Okay. What is that? Let's see. Put message append ls lines. What is that message line? Oh, okay. There is some issue with the f underscore date or time. This, well, what's happening is this is not able to identify this. Okay, it might be taking it as a string or something else. So how we was passing here in the work once again in the workflow. If I will execute this again, so how we was passing here is mentioning the date in the date format like 22.01.12, like let's say 2012 or 2030. Okay, so this is how we was passing. Let's try by passing in the same way. Okay, where is my debugger? Okay, this is the error here. Let's try by fixing it, whether we will be able to fix it or not. Okay, copy this, uh, comment this. 23. Copy this again, comment this out. 25. Okay, save this, activate this, execute this, then see if I will be okay. And I don't think there is any use of this sdate right now. And activate, execute this, and let's see whether is there something or not. Oh, we are able to create this, correct? So that was the issue there, guys. So what you can do is you can take the input from the input screen, from the selection screen, and then what you will do whenever there will be a case of this date, you have to do the conversion. Okay, and here you can see this one is created. We are got our work item ID. Let's go to business workplace. Okay, what is that in the unread work workflows? Okay, now guys, we have received the work item here. Okay, please respond on my sick leave 23/6/25/6/2024. Double click, you can see. Okay, let's approve this. So go to the unread documents. NC leave request approved on 2022/6. Okay, so your leave request has been approved. Okay, so guys, this is how you can call your this once again. You can call the workflow, execute the workflow using a report. Okay, so this is a program. I will share this into your chat window also. Okay. Okay, I hope that's all for this session, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a good day. Bye bye.